For today's video, I'm sharing this powerful charger from Ugreen Shopee official store. This is the Nexode Pro 100 watts 5-port fast charger, and it also comes with a 2-meter USB-C cable. Inside the box, you get the charger itself and a long 2-meter USB-C cable, which is super convenient, especially if malayo ang iyong outlet. It also comes with a user guide. And for the packaging, wala naman tayong masasabi sa Ugreen Shopee official store kasi laging secured ang packaging ng kanilang mga items. So what makes this charger stand out? First, it has 5 ports in total. So ayan, kung makikita nyo, no? It has 4 USB-C and 1 USB-A port. So meaning you can charge up to 5 devices at the same time. Perfect for phones, laptops, gadgets, watches, earbuds, and so much more. Ang isa sa nagustuhan ko dito sa Nexode Pro is that maganda yung kanyang digital power display. And you can actually see the charging speed in real time and very helpful to monitor your devices. Mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo once na na-demonstrate ko, and I'm sure na mabibilib din kayo. Gumagamit ito ng advanced GaN or gallium nitride technology, so it's more efficient, more compact, and stays cooler compared to traditional chargers. At meron itong smart multi-temperature control, meaning it monitors the temperature in real time for safer charging. Kahit 1 device or 5 devices, kayang-kaya nito because it has smart power distribution, so balanced and efficient ang output. As of now, ayan, itatry ko siya sa aking mga devices. Merong cellphone, earbuds, and of course, yung aking mga Ugreen power banks. So, itatry natin lahat ng ports. And also, titignan natin if there will be changes sa display or real-time ba talaga itong nag-update. Every time you press yung button, nagbabago-bago ang display. Meron kayong makikita na total power, meron ding per port power, meron ding per port current, voltage, and protocol. At the same time, meron ding temperature monitoring. Na-try na natin ang iba't ibang ports. At the same time, yung display din, every time na meron tayong idadagdag na charger or USB cable, nag-update din siya. So, it's all working and it's all good. Another bonus feature nito, no, when you tap repeatedly, ayan makikita nyo, meron siyang surprise na expression. So this is not just an aesthetic na charger, pero cute din, di ba? Overall, if you're looking for a powerful and all-in-one charger, definitely itong Ugreen Nexode Pro 100 watts 5-port GaN fast charger ang pinaka-solid na option. So ilalagay ko yung link dito sa description and sa video mismo or even sa comments. So thank you for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unboxing and review videos.